Hey everyone, welcome to Must or Bust with the Showstopper Shows. I have the show kids here, and right in the back, right in the back we have not one, not two, not three, not four, but five kayaks. And we're about to hit the Flint River and go kayaking. Do you guys want to see what it's like? Then come along for the ride as the Showstopper family goes kayaking.
Come out and try it wherever you live. It's super fun.
It is, my goodness, yes.
The rapids are my favorite.
Yep, let's go. So we just made it through this, not a problem. Kids doing great, and everybody's doing good. Yeah, hey. Phoenix just likes to go paddling up ahead, but it's all good. So I was gonna show you all it's unloading and all that, but this was our first time going without friends or anybody else. So I was like, you know, I got to get this down smooth, and then I'll show you guys how to do it. I'm actually spinning around backwards here, as you can see. There's everybody in front of me. But this river is awesome. It's great for beginners. You just got to watch. Sometimes it gets low, so you just got to try not to hit the rocks, like as in like just drag the bottom, but that's it. Let's go. Well, there is a lot of company on the river today, right guys? Oh look, we're all caught up with Phoenix again. So we've been on the river for about 15 minutes and it's moving slow, and it's about 92 degrees and the water feels ice cold. It's a beautiful day for kayaking. Back to the time lapse. So we have a spot about halfway through where we are kayaking, and we like to stop, get out, and enjoy the water. So take a look.
Stop!
Enjoying that water?
Yeah, watch this. Hey, you can float around. Pedal, salt and vinegar chips. They are delicious. They are way better than the Lay's.
And they sure taste good when it's hot outside. That's right.
These tips are mud. This river is a mud.
It is. Once you buy your kayaks and get all of your items, it's pretty much just getting out there and going. That's all you have to do. There you go. One of my favorite things to do is skip rocks, so we're about to do this. So you got me over here? Ready? Yes! Yes! I counted like 700. One more, here we go. Oh yeah. Hey, he joined his buddy out there. That is one of the best things about river rocks, smooth and ready to skip. Boop. And he gets a new home in the middle of the river. Boom.
Yeah. You see it just now? Emma, stay. Watch them. Look at that one right there where that big piece is. Oh, you see that fish? He's about to get it.
Oh, I saw it.
Did you see it?
Yep.
He jumped up and got it, Emma.
See it eating.
He jumped up out of the water and got a big piece.
There's a bunch down there now, y'all.
Can I squish one?
Do it right by your feet. You want to come see?
I'm enjoying the water.
Okay, good.
Come on, Rachel, come join me. Come right here.
Okay.
That's so cute.
So fluffy. Yeah, look at that. Right in your hands.
A bug.
Sarah's got one now, too.
I got another one.
It's so cute. Here, I'm letting him go. I'll let mine go.
Can't see my screen.
Whoa.
Rachel.
It jumped in my hand.
It is.
Yeah.
So we just came through some rapids and it was great. You can see them back there. Some of you guys would say that's not rapids, but it does push you down and you gotta keep steering so you don't get pushed the wrong way. But it worked out fine and that was fun. That's always fun. And now we're just floating down. We're in the last part of the trip. There are a ton of people out here, if y'all can see. We're behind them all, man. They are going, and there's people behind us too. Crazy.